wow, that looks so beautiful with your eyes. Now I get close to you, I'm like, whoa, that blue.
Yep.
Satnamji, I am so excited to be here with Jennifer. I am just like, we are super, super groovy and looking very snazzy. And Jennifer actually makes these. And we're actually going to be talking about something that's very, very cool that we're going to be doing here at the Beehive. We're going to be doing this Virtuoso vision board, and tell us about it.
It's going to be amazing. This is the best time of the year to be making a vision board. Some people call them a dream board, but the idea is to clear away the old, plan out what you want the new year to hold for you, and we're going to create a board that will act as a visual reminder to keep you on target through the whole year. Every day you're going to look at this board and go, yep, that's what I want, that's what I'm going for, that's where I'm going. And we're going to help you set some goals and create a really fun, creative way for you to stay on track for your goals for 2019.
Jennifer is going to provide all the artwork that you're going to be using. And this is going to be super, super special because we're not just going to cut things off of magazines. You are really going to be stimulating your juices, your intuition, really your heart, and all the things you're yearning for. And you're going to create from scratch with her expertise. So she is going to literally guide you because she is our artist in residence, our artist, our priestess that is in charge of the creativity here at the studio. So it's going to be super fun, and I am going to provide a whole way in which you'll be able, if you choose to let go of the old baggage from 2018. So this is going to be, we're going to really rock and buzz the Beehive because it's going to be super nutritious. It's going to be very stimulating. I feel that 2018 has been an amazing stretch for most human beings on the planet.
No
and
doubt.
You might be included in that soup. I know, I definitely have been in the soup. So we're going to be so happy to jumpstart in a new 2019 with new intentions, not really allowing the dragging, the pain, the uncomfortable stuff, the fears, whatever it is that have been challenging us throughout 2018. For most people, it's really been a doozy.
Yeah, it has.
And so we don't want to really bring all of that energetic with us into the new year. We want to really allow ourselves to fully process, to make peace with it, to let go of it, and nothing like a shamanic process to do that. So I am super excited to host that for you, for any of your friends, children, spouses, parents. Just let people know that we are up to something pretty powerful and beautiful. So it's going to be a beautiful afternoon. We'll have plenty of time to explore. And do you want to share a little bit of the kinds of things you're going to offer?
I'll be bringing markers, colored pencils, paints, stencils, some feathers, probably some beads and some buttons. I do have some magazines that I'll be bringing along with some really pretty photos and things in them. But I also encourage you to bring your own. If you have things that you've clipped out of magazines, words that inspire you or motivate you, quotes that really sink in and relate to where you want to be in this coming new year, bring those. Maybe you found something on the internet, on Pinterest or whatever, print it out, bring it along. I'll have the glue and the scissors and we can cut it out and arrange it so that all of those things that really help you zone in on what you want to do, where you're going, and remind you of that day in and day out, especially on those rough days when you just don't want to get out of bed or things are just really, really hard. This is a great focus to help you put one foot in front of the other and keep moving forward towards that goal. So I'll be bringing all of that fun, creative play stuff, and we will make amazing vision boards for you to inspire you all the way through the year.
Excellent. Please like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm so excited to be here. We are super buzzed to be serving the community and really showing up for everybody. So we so appreciate your support, and your likes, and the little bell, just ringy dingy on the bell so you know when we're sending you some new snazzy information or tip.
Got lots coming in 2019.
Yeah, we are buzzing, like
Absolutely.
big time.
The hive is humming.
And there will be honey pouring. It already is, but it's gonna be even more so. So we are super stoked to be here. Thank you so much, and many, many blessings. Bye bye.